In this tutorial, I will show you that how you can change Facebook location settings in just few steps. So let's dive right in. For the first step, after opening Facebook, you will be on this home page. Open menu from here and open your profile. Scroll it down, you will see here your details. Click on edit public details. Now, to change Facebook location settings, scroll it down and click on edit your about info. Scroll down and here you will see places left. Now to change location settings, firstly we need to delete these previous locations. Click on that pencil icon and simply remove it from here. Then I will open the second one and also delete it from here. After deleting it, you can click on add current city and simply type the location that you want to change. After writing your location, click on that save button. You can also choose the audience for this location and click done. Then it will ask you to share with your feed. I'm not interested to post it as public, so I will click on that only me and click done. Then at last click on that share icon. Now simply refresh it and then click on edit button. From your details here, scroll it down, you will see current city. Simply check it and click save. After checking it, now if you refresh this page, you will see here your current location in your bio. So that's how you can change Facebook location settings in just few steps.